Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro will arrive on March 21st, the company announced today. In a series of posts, Xiaomi confirmed the Civi 4 Pro will arrive in 4 colors. The back panel of the green, the hero color, will have a glass and a leather parts stylishly separated from each other. According to a teaser on Weibo, the new Civi phone will be focusing on performance, photos, and design. The Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro's arrival with Snapdragon 8's Gen 3, it will be available 12 or 16 GB LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 TB storage. The Civi 4 Pro will get a 6.5-inch screen, a 1.5K resolution display with a 120Hz refresh rate, while the triple camera at the back will be enhanced by Leica. A 50-megapixel primary sensor, it's powered by 500 mAh battery with support for 90-watt charging. The handset will weigh under 180 grams. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.